This video is going to show you how to use the mirror tool in Inventor. So you need to have a completed part ready to go, and I'm going to use the mirror tool in 3D in the model space. So I go ahead and hit mirror, and I can either grab an individual feature or I can grab the whole solid. I want the whole solid in this case, so notice how it selected that whole odd shape I have here. And then for mirror plane, I need to choose an actual plane, so I could choose this one, or I could choose around the other side there, or I could go into the origin and choose one of these existing planes here. I'm going to choose this plane here, and I think that's all I need to set up here. I don't want to remove the original. Hit OK, and it will mirror that.